President Moon Jae-in has again called for the strengthening of the country's parts and materials industry, which he says is crucial to the Korean economy. He was speaking this morning in a cabinet meeting held unusually at a government-funded research institute that focuses on localizing technologies. Hee-jun has the details.
President Moon Jae-in has reaffirmed his government's determination to strengthen South Korea's competitiveness in parts and materials. According to the president in a cabinet meeting Tuesday, the next century of the Korean economy depends on it.
소재 부품 장비 산업 경쟁력 강화는 경제 강국을 위한 국가 전략 과제입니다. 한일 관계 차원을 뛰어넘어 한국 경제 100년의 기틀을 세우는 일입니다.
President Moon says strengthening the industry, especially through localization, will allow Korea to rebound as a manufacturing powerhouse. And because the producers of industrial materials are mostly smaller companies, nurturing the industry will mean nurturing those firms. The president explained that it will lead to more collaboration between companies large and small. He added that it could help respond to the growing uncertainties in the global economy and rising trade protectionism. The cabinet also approved the launch of a presidential committee on enhancing local competitiveness in those sectors as a response to Japan's trade restrictions. President Moon says it will lead efforts to support relevant firms and policies. He also vowed to double government funding for related R&D next year. For that, Seoul's Trade Ministry reported to the president that it will inject around $183 million into the supplementary budget. Instead of gathering at the Blue House as usual, the cabinet met at the Korea Institute of Science and Technology in Seongbuk-gu, northeastern Seoul. The institute has been spearheading the localization of technology, producing miraculous developments, according to Moon, in steel, shipbuilding, semiconductors, and cars. The president inspected its progress in localizing parts and materials technology.
이 공정에서도 예를 들면 일본의 부품 소재가 꼭 필요한 그런 게 있습니다.
여기서는 지금 여기 3개 장비는 프랑스 장비고요. 수입해야 될 그런 재료는 필요 없습니다.
Later in the day, President Moon made a surprise visit to a one-stop service center at the Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which helps Korean firms in their difficulties getting supplies of key parts and materials due to Japan's export curbs. The president asked that the center continue to swiftly assist the companies in resolving their problems. Hee-jun, Arirang News.